Oh yeah, I'm Perry. Yeah, I'm Perry. White girls politicking, that's that Sarah Palin.
Hey y'all, I'm back. Another foundation review is upon us. Today it's the Urban Decay. I would say new, but I think it's like probably been out about a month now. The Urban Decay, the Stay Naked foundation, which have the matching concealers. Now upon going and swiping and finding my shade, I can tell you the concealers, that's not going to be a part of this review. I don't even think it would. I like my concealers to be a little warmer, and what would have worked with me was too cool, and I didn't like it. But nonetheless, let's get into the primer of choice today is the Plain Jane Beauty's primer, the hyaluronic acid primer. And just in my T-zone, I went with the Stay Focused by NYX. It does a good job blurring out your pores. Now, the Stay Naked foundation, I have mine in 771YW, if that rings a bell or that makes sense. And when I swatched it in the store, I'm like, oh yeah, this is a perfect match, as you all can see. Let me sit back and focus so it don't look as yellowy. Let me fix the ring light. Hold on. This looks much more better. You can get the true essence of the color, you all. So the foundation itself, you know you're going to get 1 ounce of product. Retail for $39, which I found it weird that the foundation retails for $39 and the concealer retails for $32. It's always weird to me when a concealer is almost as much as the foundation, but you're getting half the product. But nonetheless, the coverage on this is bomb, as you all can see so far. And this is just with 2 pumps. Now, I like it. I haven't tried it prior to coming on camera. I have to go to work tonight, so you are getting a live wear test with me. When I swatched this in Sephora, I swatched it on my neck. I didn't know it was this high coverage because y'all know I have bad hyperpigmentation down here. So you are witnessing this with me. I like so far. Now, main ingredients in this product is going to be the same old. Y'all, I tell y'all this all the time because most of these companies, most of these labs, there's only about so many things that's regulated to put on the face. Who has more of this? Who has more of that? I don't see any formulation now when they being groundbreaking. I'm sorry, I just don't. That's kind of like your mac and cheese versus my mac and cheese. I like block cheese so I can shred. You may use the ones that's already shredded. Tomato. Because again, we got a flawless base that we can see. How long will she last? That we don't know. So my concealer of choice for the day is my Sensual Skin Enhancer by keyvn. And this is thick. I applied her with my fingers. And I am very impressed that it did not move the makeup. I didn't know if that was going to happen or not. I didn't think about it until I dipped my fingers in the product and put on my face. But she did not move. And the concealer pounced out flawlessly. I always tell y'all, if a concealer is sticky and tacky on your beauty sponge or whatever you're putting with, that concealer does not work well with that foundation, because when you go to set, it's gonna be patchy. So any makeup aficionado, expert, pro, whomever can tell you the true test is when you go to set. So I set under my eyes, pushing the setting powder in with the Fenty Beauty powder and honey, and she did not get stuck. Y'all, when that stuff gets stuck and she patchy, you can kiss the whole look. Good. We all set. It is, let me check the time, 2:02 p.m. I go to work at 5, but I have to go pick up some free dish detergent via couponing. And then I'm gonna head to JCPenney to work, and we gonna have some timestamps and all that. Give me a minute to put my lipstick and all that on, and I'll be right back. It's hot under these lights, y'all. A cool Perrier will set the mood off right. Why Perrier? Because it's expensive. I coupon. I got it for free. When you coupon, you end up being real bougie. I will see you all probably back on camera about 11 p.m. I just want to hold my pose like this because I'm still beat, y'all. I'm home from work and I'm looking in the monitor and I'm looking in the mirror like, Urban Decay did that. As much as I said I didn't want to purchase another foundation, I mean, y'all tell me. It is 9:45 p.m. Okay? Y'all witnessed the beatdown I gave myself at about 1:30 p.m. or so, something like that. I don't even want to hang on till 11 in the way I do because I'm so flawless I don't want to wash my face. This is definitely Diva approved. The undertone, spot on. You don't have to mix 2 and 3 together to get your shade. I came in 40 shades. I'll link everything below just to be on the safe side. I think I just found my Fly Girl Fall Foundation. Ain't nothing else to talk about. I'ma just sit here and admire myself. But I'll see y'all on the next video. Now walk it out. Now walk it out. Ain't that like 2010? Oh girl, you sleepy. You need to go to bed.